Hey, Speed Cubers, what up? It's your boy Nkosi back for another video. It's competition day today in sunny Pretoria. Not so sunny today though. My goal for this competition is similar to most competitions, which is to break my PR. But more than that, in this one I wanna, since I didn't make it to the finals last comp, I'm hoping to make it to the finals today. So click that like button if you are excited for today, and I will see you later in the vlog.
Take it higher than I ever been. They like, hello, how you mix the music with the medicine? Light on Thomas Edison. You don't know if you believe, look at my life, it's evident.
Good to see you again.
You have to.
Yeah. How's it?
It's okay. Oh, nice talk. I wouldn't have to worry about it. It's an absolute learning to be old. Okay, and you're still gonna make it.
Yeah, I'll make it too.
Second round, that's
See, that's well. What's this?
this is full of it.
Back there.
Yeah, it's fun.
Pretty.
Ready? Huh?
What's close?
Yeah.
Then I take it.
Ready? I'm kind of messing up though.
It's first rounds.
Yeah. Hopefully I
Get it
do
all
better.
out now. All the panic, all the
Yeah. You know what's funny though? Last competition I wasn't even there. Just on some reason.
Yeah, now you have a goal. Now you have a PR.
Yeah.
You have a profile, right?
Ready. Hopefully I can do better.
Yeah. Come on. Okay.
Ready.
Nice. 18.
496, yeah. Ready. That's crazy. 18, 18, 18. Is that, what kid is this? V10.
Good afternoon.
Thank you.